this problem, we have this system x plus 3 over y equals 5 and x minus 3 over y equals 2. And our problem is to find xy and x over y without solving the system. So let's just start. We'll start with xy. From here we have the same denominator here is y, so y, and here xy plus 3, of course, equals 5. And the second one, also the same denominator is y, xy minus 3, of course, equals 2. And now dividing the two equations, we will have xy plus 3 over y over xy minus 3 over y is equal to 5 over 2. And here you see we can cancel y here, so we will have xy plus 3 over xy minus 3, of course cancelling y, is equal to 5 over 2. Now we will get rid of those fractions. We know that a over b equals c over d. That means that a times d is equal to b times c. So from here we will have 2 times xy plus 3, 2 times xy plus 3 is equal to 5 times xy minus 3. Now distributing, we will have 2xy plus 2 times 3, which is 6, is equal to 5xy minus 5 times 3, 15. Now taking 5xy to the other side, we will have 2xy plus 5xy becomes minus 5xy is equal to, here we have minus 15, and this plus 6 goes to the other side and becomes minus 6. Now from here 2xy minus 5xy is just minus 3xy is equal to, and here minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. Now the last step, dividing by minus 3, we will have xy is equal to minus 21, of course, over minus 3. And of course, xy is equal to 7 minus 21 over minus 3 is equal to 7. Now let's find x over y. For that, we will square our two equations. So for the first one, we will have x plus 3 over y squared is equal to, of course, 5 squared. And this, of course, means that here x squared, the special product, plus 2 times x times 3 over y plus 3 over y squared. 3 over y squared, of course, is equal to 5 squared is 25. And this, of course, means that x squared, here 2 times 3 is 6, so plus 6x over y, plus, here we have 3 squared is 9 over y squared, of course, is equal to 25. Now let's square the second equation. So from here we will have x minus 3 over y squared is equal to 2 squared. Of course, that means that here we have the special product x squared minus 2 times x times 3 over y, of course, plus 3 over y squared is equal to 2 squared 4. And this, of course, means that we have x squared here minus 2 times 3 is 6, of course, x over y plus, and here we have 3 squared 9 over y squared, of course, is equal to 4. Now the final step is we will make the difference to get rid of x squared and y squared. So we will have x squared plus 6x over y plus 9 over y squared minus the second one, x squared minus 6x over y plus 9 over y squared. So this one minus this one is equal to 25, of course, 25 minus 4. The difference term to term. And now here you see this x squared will just cancel with this one. And 9 over y squared will cancel with 9 over y squared. So here we will have 6x over y. And here minus 6x over y, it's plus 6x over y is of course equal to 25 minus 4, which is 21. And from here we have 6x over y plus 6x over y, which is 12x over y is equal to 21. And of course here, dividing by 12, we will have x over y is equal to 21 over 12. Of course, 21 is 3 times 7, and 12 is 3 times 4. So cancelling 3 here, it's equal to 7 over 4. So the value of x over y is x over y equals 7 over 4. And this, of course, concludes our problem.